Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will sign up for an Appraiser user and I will guide you through each steps to do so. We need to register for an appraiser. So we will click on this Get Started or Create an Account button. So it will take us to the first page of registration, that is the basic registration. There are two steps. The first one is that you can continue with using the Google, or the second is that you can provide in the basic details and then move forward for the second step. So I have filled in the details, added the first name, last name, email, and set the password, and also did a password confirmation. I'm going to click on the create account button and it will create the first step and it will say that it has been created successfully. Now we need to create the profile. So as it's for an appraiser, we'll click on the appraisal. Basically, there are total 8 steps of an appraiser, so they can move for all the steps and create the account. So first they need to provide the company name, and then they have to define the business type. It's a multi-select. You can define all the types of the business you are. Here you need to define the address and the city, the state, zip code, the phone number, and the cell phone number. So I'm just going to fill in the dummy data over here and we'll be moving next. So as I've filled all of these, I can move forward. Now on the third step is that we need to defining the E&O and the E&O per aggregate amount. So basically, as you can see, it says 2 million. This is the minimum amount. You need to provide it more than this amount or whatever is set at the time. So right now we have set it 2 million. So if it's set to 1 million, so we should always have it that should be more than this specific amount. So I'm going to put in this value. Select the E&O expiration date, the E&O carrier, upload an E&O document. So just gonna upload any of the document over here that is an E&O. So it should be an E&O, but I'm just putting in dummy data. Then we have the state license. Here you have an option of uploading as many license you have, you can upload it over here. You need to define in the state that you have the license for the type of license. It is general appraiser or a certified appraiser. And then you have to define in the license number. It was first licensed and date it was first certified, and then you need to select the license expiration date. And when a license is expired, you need to upload it, update it, and you can do that from your profile page. So you can upload your license and update the if it's get expired. So you need to have it because it can't work if your license is expired. So we have to move forward, and then we have to define the text ID number. Then we have to upload the text form, it is W9, and then we have if a sample work we can, it's optional, but if it the years of experience is less than 5, then it is compulsory, you need to upload it. If any supporting document you can upload over here. And lastly, you can define the qualification of, and if the commercial expertise if you have, as it's for the general appraiser and certified appraiser. So if it's must for one of the categories. Then lastly, you have to select the tool that you are using to create the appraisal reports. And these are all, if it's other, you have to type in, and that is compulsory. You can move forward and you can review your information that you have provided, and you have for certified appraiser. So you submit the application, you have to wait for the appraiser. And when the account has been reviewed, it will be either accepted or declined. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.